In today's severe weather preparedness episode, we're going to talk about the differences between funnel clouds and a cloud we call Scud. Oftentimes, Scud clouds are seen and actually reported as funnel clouds, but they don't present any danger to the public. Funnel clouds, on the other hand, when they touch down, can become a tornado and produce damage. Here's how you can tell the difference between Scud and a funnel cloud. Scud clouds will form on the leading edge of a thunderstorm. They form when very humid air is forced to rise out ahead of a storm, or maybe even out ahead of a gust front. A lot of times in strong storms, you'll get what we call an updraft. You'll get a lot of rising air into the storm, and that's how Scud clouds will ultimately form. They're when very humid air is forced to rise and condense and ultimately form a cloud. But these Scud clouds will often form a little bit lower in the atmosphere because the air that's rising is so humid that they're actually forced to condense even a little bit faster than your typical base level cloud. Meanwhile, a funnel cloud is what would be a rotating cone. That's what that is going to look like. Funnel cloud is actually going to have a tight rotation on it. You're actually going to be able to see it rotating, and it's going to have a more defined shape coming down from the base of a cloud, or likely a wall cloud, while Scud oftentimes will be jagged and won't have a really consistent look to it. Sometimes they can have the cone shape, but they're often going to be ragged at the front of a storm and not associated with a wall cloud, which is how you can tell the difference between the two of them. Scud clouds will also not have any rotation on it compared to a funnel cloud, which will have a tight rotation that you'll be able to see just looking up at the funnel cloud.